This is a derivation for the formula for arithmetic sequence. By sequence, we mean a sequence of numbers in a numbered pattern. And by arithmetic, we mean that the pattern is linear. It's going up by equal amounts. Those equal amounts we call common differences. Notice in the sequence I have here separated by commas is we are adding 2 each time to get to the next term. The first term is 1, the second is 3, the third is 5, the fourth is 7, and the fifth is 9. We're having this common difference we call D equal to 2 in this case. And each of these terms has a term number. For example, the first term, which happens to be 1, okay, the second term is 3, the third term is 5, the fourth term is 7, and the fifth term in this sequence is 9. We call that the n value. The value of the nth term, we say Tn. So for example, T1 would be 1, T2 is 3, T3 is 5, T4 is 7, and T5 is 9. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth values. Each term number has a specific value. So T1 is 1, T2 is 3, T3 is 5, T4 is 7, and T5 is 9. Now we want to try and come up with an equation that follows this pattern, right? So we've already said that T1 is equal to 1. T2 is equal to 3, which is the same as 1 plus 2. T3 is equal to 5, which is equal to 1 plus 2 times 2, which is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. T4, which is equal to 7, is 1 plus 3 groups of 2. And T5, which is equal to 9, is 1 plus 4 groups of 2. So notice how the common difference is represented in this case, right? The common difference 2 each time. So this common difference 2 appears after the first term. We don't see it in the first term. So we basically have 1 is basically equal to 1 plus 0 groups of 2. And we have in T2, we have 1 group of 2, essentially. So we have this 2 throughout. Here it is. That is the common difference in each case. Notice also how the number of times we're multiplying by 2 is related to the term number. So in T1's case, the number of times we multiply that common difference is 0. In T2, we multiply it once. In T3, we multiply it twice. In T4, we multiply it by 3 times. T5, we multiply it 4 times. So there's a relationship Tn the term value for any term in this sequence begins with the first term, T1, which in this case is 1, plus the common difference, D, and we're multiplying it by 1 less than the term number. So the term number is 5, but we're only multiplying the common difference by 4. The term number is 4, we're only multiplying it by 3. So it's actually n minus 1 times. We're multiplying the common difference by 1 less than the term number, and then adding the first term to give us the next term. So if we were to find, let's say T6 using this equation, T6 is going to be equal to 1 plus the common difference of 2 plus 6 minus 1, which is 5, so that we have 1 plus 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 1 is 11, and that will be what the value of the sixth term is. So this is our formula for an arithmetic sequence.